Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another interesting knife unboxing to share with you guys. One that you guys will have an idea of what is in because you've seen the thumbnail, but me during the time of this recording, as usual, I have no idea what's in this box. It's likely something that was sent from a viewer in response to the list that I sent out of knives that I was looking for review in an attempt to ensure that I can bring you guys content while we're all still likely stuck at home. Speaking of that, those of you who are current patrons and supporting me, thank you so much. I know that I say it in every single video, but I do it on purpose because I'm very, very grateful that people are supporting me during this time, and I'm actually able to continue to pay the shipping costs associated with getting these knives back to the people who sent them to me. So thank you to the people who are sending me knives. Thank you to my patrons. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's a link down in the description where you can check out some of those stickers and some other fun things that we do on Patreon. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this open. As usual, we're unboxing this package with the Spyderco PM2, the legendary Spyderco PM2, which is a knife that is very recommendable and you can find down in the Amazon store that I reference at the beginning of every single video. Interesting. Some tin foil. Okay. Oh, they're numbered. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. First time I've received tin foil, but that's, that's okay. One way to do that, putting that package right over here where I can make sure and keep it sorted. Number 1, intrigue. Intrigue has filled the room. We have, oh boy, there we go. Hey, this is my first time handling, ooh, that's nice. Yeah, for a FRN. Here's why I'm so excited about this Manix 2, because it's in Maximate. I have found very quickly that Maximate is absolutely the supreme leader in edge retention in terms of, like super steels that you can actually get a hold of. Yes, I'm aware of S125V and Rex 121. Good luck finding that steel on anything. But as far as the current leader in edge retention for production knives or knives that are readily available, Maximate, and specifically Maximate on Spyderco, because they're the only ones seeming like they can actually, heat treat it and get it ground correctly. Maximate is insane. So this is the Maximate variant of the Spyderco Manix 2. And it's one of those knives where I'm almost willing to overlook, personally, the FRN. I don't like FRN, but I know a lot of people do. It is certainly lightweight. And, given the performance of Maximate and the blade geometry that it's being executed on, I imagine that that will be a really fun one to take a look at. Let's get my PM2 out of there. It's not the focus today. So that was 1. Number 2. The tin foil. Hey, holy cow. Is this an Endura? Boy, it's been so long that I've handled an Endura. Is this an, it seems huge. Well, in any case, I guess I'm not as up on my Spydercos. It's been a long time since I've handled an Endura, but this is a laminate HAP 40. Is it laminate? That's what it looks like. Laminate HAP 40 and SUS 410 steel with a very interesting die pattern going on the scales. Okay, absolutely. Listen, it's no secret that Spyderco knives do really well in this channel and any other channel, and they're always fun to look at because they're very performance-oriented, even if they have materials that are not my personal favorite. But the blade shape and that laminate steel, if that's exactly what I'm looking at, are very interesting. Number 3. Ooh, I was going to say, this is heavy. This is the copper Natrix. Wow, that is a beast. Nice and smooth. Always impressed by Kershaws quality. I think this is the first time I've ever handled a Natrix. Really cool, and I can see the design philosophy in it right off the bat. This is this is kind of a monster of a knife. It's much bigger than I thought it was going to be, and it's definitely heavier, even though I knew that it was going to be copper. So that's really cool. Very excited to look at that one. And number 4 is something that is much smaller. Much smaller. What do we have here? Oh, is this the Ember?
Is that what this is? Hold on. Yeah, this is a Hinderer. This is one of the only Hinderer collaborations that I've never handled. Oh, that's awesome. It's got the little bottle opener on it. Very cool. Very, very cool. Have fun taking a look at this guy. So anyways, guys, looks like that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Let me make sure here and give credit where it's due. Excuse me, should have done that right off the bat. This was sent to me by Brandon. Brandon, thank you very much for sending these knives. I will make sure and give you credit when I do the reviews for each one of these. But guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this middle complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.